Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, which is the odd one out in this set? And we have given one set here, XVI, VZE, KOV and FJQ. Now let us take first one, XVI. Okay. Now here we can observe that in between X and B, if we check Y, Z, and again we start from A, we will get Y, Z, A and then B. Okay, means 3 letters in between X and B. After B, there will be C, D, E, F, G, H, and then I will come. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 letters in between B and I. Now let us check next one, VZE. If same pattern will come, then this is in that group. Okay. Now first V is there. Okay. After V, if we check W, X, Y, then Z will come. Means 3 letters in between V and Z. Okay. Then if we start from A again, then after Z, A, B, C and D, and then E will come. So in between Z and E, 4 letters will come. Okay. Now let us check KOV. Now after K, L, M, N will come, and then O. Okay. After O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and then V will come. Means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Okay. And then last one, F, J, Q. Now after F, G, H, I. Okay. Then J will come. Then K, L, M, N, O, P, and then Q will come. Now here we can observe that in between 2 letters, first 2 letters, 3 letters will be there, and after, in between second and third letters, 6 letters will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only second one is different. In means first and second letters, 3 letters are there. Okay, but in between second and third letter, only 4 letters are there. That should be 6 letters. So the odd one out is second one, means VZE. So our correct option is option C.